Hello, children. Today, let us watch a small story on a bird and a tree. So, what did you see? In the story, you see a bird which is yellow. The bird flies into a tree which is also yellow. The bird has built a nest in that tree. The nest has birdlings. The mother bird feeds the birdlings and then she flies away. The nest is not seen without the mother bird. The appearance of the mother bird makes the nest visible. Today we are going to do a poem titled The Laburnum Top by Ted Hughes. Ted Hughes is an English poet. In this poem, he writes about the laburnum tree and the goldfinch bird. The laburnum tree is yellow because of its yellow flowers, and the goldfinch bird is yellow because of its yellow feathers. So, both the tree and the bird share the same color, but they are contrasted to each other. The tree stands silently, but the bird flies fast. The tree is mute, but the bird is loud and vocal. The tree is passive, but the bird is active. The tree just stands there, but the bird is restless. The tree is the chemical, but the bird is the catalyst. The tree is just a tree, but the bird gives it an identity. The tree is silent and empty, but the mother bird brings life and energy and vitality to the tree. The tree is the body, the bird is the soul. Both are yellow like the yellow sun, but still different from each other in many ways. Many ways of looking at it and multiple perspectives and possibilities add beauty to the poem. In the first stanza, the tree is silent, and in the last stanza, the tree is empty. But in the stanza in between the first and the last stanza, the tree is full of energy because of its active collaboration with the bird. The first stanza talks of the setting, talks of the tree which stands silently with its yellow flowers. In the first stanza, we are not aware of the nest in the tree, and we are not aware of the birdlings in the nest. In the second stanza, the poet talks in details about the arrival of the goldfinch and its great impact on the silence of the tree. The silence of the tree becomes sound and activity because of the arrival of the goldfinch. The birdlings start making excited sounds and calls after the arrival of the mother bird. The mother bird brings them to life, and with that, the mother bird brings the tree to life. Unlike the tree, the goldfinch is active, fluid, and energetic in her movements. Her sounds and calls are distinct and clear. With her coming, her birdlings start calling in chorus. She feeds them and then flies away towards the horizon. And in her absence, the birdlings again become silent. The tree also goes back to its silence. The goldfinch feels the silent laburnum top with sound, as the soul feels the body with vital energy. The relationship between the bird and the tree is similar to the relationship between the body and the soul. It is also similar to the relationship between mother and life. Thank you and enjoy the poem.